course, we got more snow, more moisture, anything.
We wouldn't have that issue, would we? Well, we've got action on the way. There's no doubt. The question is, will we see it in the metro? We'll talk about that in just a second, but let's start, you guys, with the high clouds through the metro area for now. And we are seeing signs of change out there, and more will push through into the weekend. But this is the sort of deal that's really going to ramp up by Sunday. So tomorrow going to be sort of another one of those days when it's going to be well above average temperature wise. We are going to have some clouds around, but the action really ramps up Saturday night and Sunday. Because of that, we have winter storm watches, Union County through the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, I-25 corridor, and up into the San Juans of Colorado and New Mexico here for the possibility of significant snow. Meanwhile, here in the city, it's going to be more of a wind deal. 65 degrees here in the metro right now. West winds at 20 miles an hour. Temperatures across the north, mainly 40s and 50s, although we have a few 60s out to the east and some 70s as well. Down to the south, 60s and 70s at this point. Temperatures remain well above average, and we are pushing in a little bit in the way of high cloudiness. We're already starting to see showers break out in portions of Colorado as our weather disturbance comes down and slides on through. Really what we're going to get here is a nice looking cold front that slides through the east side of the state, and that's got the potential to deliver the snow. So right now, storms dropping into the west. Timing now is Sunday into Monday. And what to expect out of this deal? Well, heavy mountain snow to the north, and especially along the east slopes. Metro showers will be a possibility on Sunday, along with a lot of wind. I'm less concerned about the showers, more concerned about the wind. And a scattered mix will be possible out to the west as well. And the bust potential on this thing is not going to go any lower than 45%. It is close to a 50-50 proposition on this particular storm. So let's walk through exactly what the deal is with this thing. Now, what we're going to get is most of the best dynamics for heavy snow will be over Colorado with this system as it passes on through. But we get the cold front, which goes into the northeast, runs moisture up through the northeast highlands and the east slopes of the northern mountains. And a lot of this stays. Most of the real deep moisture and, of course, the best chance for heavy snow is over Colorado. But our northern mountains will get a pretty good shot here to get a nice blast of snow. And as far as when it all rolls in, that occurs on Sunday morning and then lasts not only through the early portions of Sunday, but what will happen here is the snow is going to set up and continue to ride up over the mountains through the day Sunday and into Monday. So what we're getting here is a prolonged setup and a nice flow for pushing moisture up the mountains and bringing out snow. So that's why we have the potential for up to a foot of snow across the northern mountains and the high terrain. Now here in the metro area, some scattered showers for Sunday, and the gusty winds will be the main concern. Coming up tonight at 10, we're going to look at the models. I'm going to show you exactly what we're seeing here and why this thing's going to be a little bit tricky. 46 in Durango, 44 Pagosa Springs, 42 in Alamosa. You guys are likely to see heavy snow in the San Juans coming up over the weekend. 55 in Farmington, 52 Cuba, and 60 in Grants. Plenty of clouds through the weekend and maybe a couple of showers as well. Mostly sunny skies tomorrow through the southwest. We are looking at those warm temperatures continuing too into the low 70s. Across the southeast, temperatures drop through the weekend and the chance of showers increases here. We are likely to see some accumulating snow in the Sacramento Mountains, but not the kind of amounts we're talking about up to the northeast. Now here, we're looking at a chance for an isolated mix tomorrow, but then we go over to snow Sunday and Monday with a big blast of cold air coming through places like Mora, Angel Fire, Black Lake, Eagle Nest, all in good position to do very well. But any of our northern mountain resorts, whether it be the Ski Valley or whether you go over to Ski Santa Fe, Sipapu, all have got a shot to do well with accumulating snow. East Mountains, partly cloudy skies, west winds gusting up to 35 miles an hour. Shot at snow showers for Sunday. And find them right here in the metro area. We're going to top things out in the 60s for tomorrow. Winds crank up on Sunday. Now, showers don't necessarily look like a sure thing here in the city, but we could see a few of them on Sunday as they pass their way on through. But you guys want to watch the mountains for most of the trouble.
All right. Thank you, Mark.